welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Sorry about the bell in the background. Just as I decided to video this, my parrot decided to ring her bell. But today I'm making for you a video that, honestly, I never thought I would be making. And it's kind of sad. In fact, it's very sad. I'm going to try not to make it too long because, unfortunately, I'll start crying, and I don't want to cry in this video. Many of you that have been following me for a long time will remember that my husband, Tim, aka the cameraman, used to help me do the filming. And while he was doing that, he was always behind the camera. We would banter back and forth, and everybody seemed to like it. And then as the years went on, he started to have some back trouble, and it was just hard for him to stand behind the camera. And I said to him, just don't do it anymore. I'll do it. And then my son is here, my adult son, so he would help me also. Well, quite a few years ago, he was diagnosed with prostate cancer. And he went through radiation, and he would get his injections. I think it was every 3 months, and they were on top of it and always made sure that he had his number down and it was controlled. So, you know, he took care of that, did everything he was supposed to do. And then to skip along a few years, I guess it was, I want to say maybe, I don't know, the end of last year, he started just feeling tired, and food was not appetizing to him at all. He just had no desire to eat. The food didn't taste good, and the food didn't smell good. And he tried to force himself to eat, but he lost a lot of weight. I mean, probably like 25 pounds. And it was definitely not intentional. Now, I will say that I met my husband when we were in high school. I was 15 and he was 2 years ahead of me. We dated through high school. He went away to college. We dated through college. He graduated from college in June, and we were married the following September 9th. I always remember his mother saying, whatever you do, don't do anything till he graduates college. And this coming September, believe it or not, we will be married 57 years. I can't even believe it myself. I don't know where the time has gone. But our greatest accomplishments have been my son Scott and my daughter Dawn. And they each have 2 boys. So we have 4 grandsons. My daughter has Jake and Aaron, and my son has Kyle and Lucas. So we've been very fortunate. We've had a very good life. But with my husband feeling tired and not able to eat and losing the weight, the oncologist said to him, look, why don't we do a PET scan? Now, mind you, he has been having, on a regular basis, MRIs and CAT scans. And nothing was showing up. And then I guess he had a PET scan a year ago. So the doctor said, let's do a PET scan again. Well, here's the sad part. And I can't tell you how shocked we all are. My family is in shock, as well as the oncologist, because what came up, no one was looking for and no one expected. So it showed that he has pancreatic cancer that has spread to his liver. Now, because he has more than one cancer, he had the prostate cancer, they really can't do anything for him. He can't have chemo because it would probably make him worse than he is. So I just wanted to let you all know that he is struggling. We are taking one day at a time. I've shed a lot of tears. Not a day goes by I don't shed them, because my husband's been my whole life, my other half. And I said I wasn't going to cry, so I'm not going to. But I just can't imagine my life without him. He's the rock of the family. And we've been partners for all these years. So right now, we are taking one day at a time. And I know I've heard so many people say that we have, when we're born, we have a date, and when we die, we have a date. And in the middle of those two dates is a dash. So right now, we're trying our best to get through the days with the dash, however many they may be. We're taking care of each other. We're in this together. I have a lot of support from my family and friends. And I just wanted to let all of you know where the cameraman is, and just to ask for prayers that he gets through this without a lot of pain and suffering. So if you'd like to make a comment, you can certainly do that. This is a no drama channel. So if anybody makes a unpleasant comment, I will block you. Right now, we just need all the support that we can get, because he's struggling and we're really going through a very hard time. We signed up with palliative care, and we had a meeting with them this morning, which went very well. And palliative care does everything they can for the patient. So while the patient's sick, they try to make them as comfortable and make the quality of their life be as best as it can be. And they also have social workers that will help the family and anything else you need. And they will work with your doctors. So I'm glad we went. It was a good experience. And I just wanted to let you all know, because so many people always say, what happened to the cameraman? What happened to the cameraman? Well, I'm taking care of the cameraman the best I can, and you can count on that. So I want to thank all of you for your love and support of me and my channel and my husband. I know how much many of you missed him when he used to be on here with me. He was quite a character. So anyway, thanks for listening. I love all of you. I'll try my best when I can to keep you posted, okay? So have a wonderful day. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Toodles.